Welcome to our website. We have optional background music. You can just click here to play. So this is the video for displaying webform for the software project. The first scenario is what are the sentiments for alcohol-related tweets? Are the percentage of sentiment differ in each area of Melbourne? To demonstrate the first scenario, we create a first page called emotional. Both the bar chart and the pie chart are related with sentiment analysis. The bar chart shows the sentiment of alcohol-related tweets, and we found that most of tweets related to alcohol shows negative sentiment, which seems to be in line with common sense. In the pie chart, you can see the percentage of each sentiment, and by clicking on the top right of the pie chart, the user can block one of the sentiments so that they can see the ratio of the specific two sentiments. The map shows the sentiment of the Melbourne area. The darker the color is, the more negatively the sentiment is. Users will be able to visualize the indicator of each area through the map. We also created a word cloud showing tweets related to alcohol, so users can notice which words appear most frequently in tweets related to alcohol.
So the second scenario is about the question, is there a correlation between the number of alcohol-related tweets and the number of unemployment people in specific regions? So the graph here shows the map of Australia, and as we can see, the right dots represent the city with a high number of unemployment people. So as we can see from the graph, Perth, Melbourne, Brisbane, and Sydney are the cities with notable unemployment people. So right here we have a scatter plot that the x-axis is the x-axis is the city unemployment rate, and the y-axis is the alcohol-related tweets. And by first glance, we may think that there isn't a correlation between these two axes. However, if we think Melbourne and Sydney may be two outliers, since they are two very large cities, many tweets from rural places may mistakenly attributed their regions, causing a skew in the data. So if we consider Melbourne and Sydney as two outliers, we can observe that there may be a correlation, a linear statistical relationship between unemployment people and the number of alcohol-related tweets. And as this pattern suggested that an increase in the unemployment people may correspond to a rise in the number of alcohol-related tweets in cities. And then comes to our third scenario. How many tweets contain alcohol-related keywords in each region, and what is their percentage compared to the whole tweets posted in each region? So the first graph is the city with the most alcohol mentioned. The x-axis is the city names, and the y-axis is the number of alcohol-related keywords. So as we can see, Melbourne has the highest number of alcohol-related keywords, and users are able to click top 10 and top 15 to see the corresponding city names. And the second graph is also a pie chart. It shows the city with the most tweets. So it includes all the tweets posted in a certain region. So as well, users are able to select different options. So finally, we can select a city to represent the proportion of alcohol-related tweets. So as we can see, Melbourne has nearly 40% of alcohol-related tweets as a share of all tweets. And this graph is important for eliminating sample size bias. It reflects the true ratio of alcohol-related tweets, providing a more representative picture of the situation. As we can see, even though Melbourne has the highest alcohol-related tweets number, but here Hubbard actually has a higher percentage of alcohol-related tweets of shared all tweets. And that's it. That's all of our three scenarios.